With an increasing number of organisations worldwide looking to adopt a hybrid working practice, you need the tools in place to allow your dispersed employees to collaborate together and thrive. At Akixi, we believe that a unified workforce is a better one. Akixi One helps every employee to track their productivity and enables them to self-manage, feel empowered, in control, and connected to the wider team. So let's dive in and explore the core benefits of Akixi One. With Akixi One, you can view the real-time call and contact activity for yourself and all the groups that you belong to. Quickly and easily view the live status of your colleagues' extensions, and you can instantly see who's free to answer your query or who's the best available person to transfer a call to you. By having the visibility to view the state of the other colleagues in your team, you can identify suitable times to take breaks and revive your mind. Control how you manage your activity and availability with the controls at the top of the reporting portal. You have the flexibility to make new calls. This makes it easy to reach out to customers and to your colleagues. Easily change your custom status, ideal for taking breaks between dealing with customer inquiries. Respond quickly to busy periods by signing yourself in and out of queues with ease. With Leaderboards, you can see firsthand how you are working as a team. You can also get an idea of how you are performing against your colleagues in real time, adding a spark of friendly competition with your teammates. Get an overview of the calls that you've missed, demonstrate good customer service, and return these calls directly from the unreturned lost calls report. With Akixi One, choose from a collection of 10 real-time report types, including the popular and most widely used wallboard, agent, group, and unreturned lost calls reports. Every report allows up to 6 metrics for users to track, and as many as 6 reports can be combined into a comprehensive dashboard view. With the ability to instantly see individual performance and the activity of the wider team, today's hybrid workers can discover the inspiration and guidance they need to achieve their goals every day. To find out more about how Akixi One can support your transition to a hybrid workforce, or if you simply want to increase your report visibility for your office-based team members, then get in touch with us today. Check out the links in the description below.